And I don't know, I just think it's much more interesting. And also for me, it makes me a little bit less concerned about framing and stuff like that, because it essentially frames everything. And I know GoPro just came out with a new 360 camera. It's called the Max or something. Looks pretty cool too. And so the hard thing with VR augmented reality stuff, the technology is moving so fast, and generally speaking I think it's good to be a late adopter to all this stuff too. But you know, who knows, maybe you investing early into virtual reality, augmented reality is like being an early Bitcoin investor or something like that. It's highly speculative, it's more of a gamble and a risk, but I mean, if the downside ain't that big, why not just kind of fuck with it, right? And especially like on YouTube, it hosts VR stuff pretty easy. The biggest hiccup I personally had actually was when I first started getting into 360 stuff. I was in Japan at the time, and dude, believe it or not, you would think Japan one of the most advanced societies in the world. Dude, the internet is fucking slow, man. It's so slow. Whereas at least here in the States internet sucks too, but in Vietnam was actually surprisingly the best. If you want fast Wi-Fi, go to Vietnam. Vietnam's the best. Go to any coffee shop, super fast Wi-Fi. But I'm also lucky now that I live in one of these luxury condo thingies where the Wi-Fi is actually incredibly fast. So yeah, I plan on hopefully doing more of this 360 augmented reality VR kind of stuff. I don't have an Oculus headset yet, but hopefully it could be a new exciting future for all of us. So if you just want to fuck with it, I recommend getting like an old GoPro 360 Fusion camera, or getting the new Max. I personally like to process the files on my iPad. It makes life a little bit easier, and just kind of play with it and have fun, or download some augmented apps on your Android device or your iPhone or iPad, whatever, and kind of see what the brave new future holds for you.